All right. So this is the veteran business community here on Skool, just testing out the new live feature for the first time. I don't expect anybody to jump on it. I just set this up as a test. So I want to test the screen share capabilities. Oh, look, wife's calling. Hey, love. Yeah, I do. So you're in a recording right now. I'm just doing a test recording. So exactly. All right. But yeah, so I got that. Are you going to make it back in time? All right. I'll see you in a few. All right. Bye. All right. Impromptu call from the wife. So yeah, I just want to test the video here, doing a screen share to see if you can actually hear audio coming through a video. Also curious if somebody else was on the call, how well you could hear their voices, but can't really test that. So let's see. All right, good enough. So we could probably stop sharing that. Get back to this. Again, just want to test to see how this works. You can mute, unmute just like other ones. You get the video options. You can choose what camera you want, share your screen. You got little reactions here. Oh, there it is in the top right corner of my screen. Thumbs up, cool. Yeah, and you can edit backgrounds and stuff. What else is in settings? So under effects and settings, you can change your background. I could go to just blurry here in my house. So I can do nothing. You can actually see what's behind me, real stuff. All right, cool. Well, I'm curious to see where this goes, how well you can hear it. I mean, I'm just using my generic camera here, but yeah, how well you can hear everything, if we could hear the video, and where this video gets sent once it is recorded. So I'm curious to see that. But Skool's coming out with some great stuff. I love the platform. I love their ingenuity and their constant improvement on their product without increasing the price. So in fact, just for like $9 a month, you can start your own community now, which is insane. I paid the $99 a month one. You get a few extra benefits with it, but honestly, you can start a platform for just a $9 a month one and start generating revenue. So really cool. So I love it. Really can't say anything bad about it. The platform's awesome. So you get just how easy it is, like to share a screen and go through. Super easy. Shut up. So yeah, so I mean, I love the fact that you get the community here, and on the community, no, you have the community here. It's showing that we're live right now. People can put posts there, put polls, ask questions, share resources, ask other people about softwares, maybe even partner together. I love that aspect of it. The classrooms itself, I have like a dozen classes here right now, everything from like the VBOX, Veteran Business Outreach Centers, like flagship Boots to Business program is in here for anybody that goes through that, through those SBA programs, or like how to buy a business. I got a ton of SBA resources in our Trusted Partners Network. Basic finance skills for people that aren't CFOs is in there. This other huge one that's been really popular lately is the how to build business credit. So I was able to take that real life case study with my own company from zero credit a few months ago. And within 4 months, I had excellent credit on my business and was offered a line of credit, pulled that, and I'm seeing what that line of credit is now going to do to impact my scores on top of that. So I'm just using myself as a guinea pig to show everybody how you can actually do a real world, not just academic, stuff. How to certify your veteran business, how to sell to the government. I've got years of experience, managed well over 100 federal contracts before. So we have programs and training for that, how to sell to the government. This Made in America push is a huge thing right now with the government right now. So the funding behind it, cutting some of the red tape, some of the other incentives that they have for small businesses to get into making anything here in the US or even exporting. But manufacturing is huge now. Basic task questions. This is my girl here. She does everything. I am not a CFO or a CPA or a tax lawyer, and she is all of those things. So I trust her for all that information and some other random stuff. So anyway, love the classroom feature, love all that stuff. And the other really cool thing is the fact that it's just everything searchable. So again, the example I use is, like if you were to look up business plan, it will search the whole platform and tell you exactly where it comes up. So in the community here, every time business plan was mentioned, it comes up. No, I don't need your Siri. It shows there anytime it was mentioned in a community post, and in the classroom, it shows everywhere it's listed in every course or sub-course. And these are actually like hyperlinks. So if you wanted to look at business model canvas, business planning, live plan, which is a software that we use to help build business plans with AI integration, it's an awesome tool. Everything's there. So, and these, like I said, are all hyperlinks. So you can go right to it and get the information you need. Everything's searchable. And if it is in a member's bio, I don't know, we'll see if I can find some real estate maybe, or maybe I could do like VA loans. So 5 members in their profile have real estate mentioned in it. So somewhere in their bios. Yeah. So look, like real estate. So it searches bios too. So again, if you're in the platform, make sure that you put what you do, what you're looking for in your bio, because it is searchable for other people. Again, a good way to partner together. So yeah, I like it so far. Everything looks cool. Hopefully it looks good on the other end when I'm done recording. So I'll check it out. If it's useful information, I'll share it. I'm going to start doing now. So I just started to introduce a weekly call. It is a beautiful day outside. Come here, buddy. This is the little guy. He's the youngest of 4. Say hi. Yeah, his oldest sister is in college, so, or college age at least. She's taking a year off. But yeah, so I just started to do like this business talk class once a week, just to offer more value to the community. So this is where people can log in if they're a member and just ask any questions that they want related to business. I'll share life advice too if you want, but you're probably better off asking me about business. And so I set that up weekly. Again, just hopefully an extra benefit to anybody that wants to take part in our community and share our resources. That's a memory stick. It's a flash drive that saves information. It goes on the computer. So yeah, but I'm going to start now using this tool here. Oh, it's not a toy though, so don't lose it. Yeah, so I'm going to start using the school recording, the Skool Live to start doing those classes. So hopefully it works. Anyway, all right. I'll talk to you soon, bud. All right. Well, that's it. I'll see you hopefully in the community. Take care.